Hello guys, welcome to PRC Foundation. How are you all? Today we are going to discuss a short question of the drama Taste of the D'Urbervilles, and the question is, describe Tess's first meeting with Alec. So let's begin. So as we say that the introduction of your answer should be informative with some important information like the publication date of the writing and the lifespan of the author. So also in this answer you should include those information. So in introduction we can say that in the play Tess of the D'Urbervilles, Thomas Hardy sketches Tess as a woman of ultimate beauty. From the Victorian sense of morality, she is not a pure woman, but she is pure in her mind and soul. On the other hand, Alec, we can say, is the villain of the play with a dashing appearance. So let's go to the description. D'Urberville family's only earner, the horse, Prince, dies accidentally. From then, monetary problem starts. To maintain the family, Tess's mother sent her to the Tentridge land of D'Urbervilles to earn some money. There, Tess meets Alec D'Urbervilles, son of Mrs. Stoke D'Urbervilles. Actually, from an early age, Alec feels for Tess. He welcomes her as, "Well, my big beauty, what can I do for you?" Tess wants him, saying that they both belong from the same family. Though her surname had gone through differently, it is called now as D'Urberville. She also tells Alec why he comes here. She says that her mother contacted with Mrs. Stoke D'Urbervilles and that's why she is here for a job. As Mrs. Stoke D'Urbervilles is a blind woman, Alec assures Tess by saying that not his mother, rather than he can help her. By hearing his magical words of praise, Tess gathers encouragement in herself. She thinks that Alec is doing this to her as a family relative. Tess melts to his words and go for a walk. They go into the fruit garden and Alec feeds her strawberries. After a while, Alec fills a basket with some fruits for her as she cannot eat anymore. Alec picks some roses and decorates both Tess and the basket of fruits. Meanwhile, Alec proposes to Tess that they should eat something more. Tess agrees with him. They eat in a huge tent as if they were at a medieval tournament. On a chance when returning, Alec almost kisses Tess. So that's all for Tess's first meeting with Alec. For conclusion, we can say that actually Alec wants to seduce Tess to attach physically with her. That's why he always wants to stay close to Tess and keeps her busy with his hyperbolic praises. So guys, that's all for today. Hope we'll meet again with another new topic. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Tata.